Man, I love Windows 98. Time to go surfing the World Wide Web. Hopefully this works. Wow, Bing is actually loading. Dang it. Looks like that new Bing broke it for Windows 98's Internet Explorer 6.
Deal with it. Stop saying that. You say it too dang much. Wait, where did he go?
That's a good question. Next time he shows up, hopefully Robbie can kill him.
I can't believe I am saying this, but I agree. Hey Dot. Yes, Clippy. Want to see what our older characters looked like? I think Microsoft Office 97 is installed on this virtual machine. Sure, that'll be cool. Alright then. Look, there's the old me. Whoa, you look so different. I wonder how I looked back then. Well, you can find out by right-clicking on the assistant. Wait, why do I look the same? Because no one likes you. Wow, that's kind of rude to say. I heard what you said, Clippy. That was kind of rude. Well, it's true. No, it is not. You know what is true. You are the reason the agents got removed from Office 2007 and onward. Yeah, Clippy. That is your fault. Welcome to the Windows Movie Maker. In this program, you can make movies, add effects to videos, and much more.
Hey!
Are you freaking stupid? That is Windows Media Player, not Windows Movie Maker. Hey, I can call it whatever I want. Now get out, you ugly Walden freak.
What's all that commotion I am hearing?
This idiot just called that program Windows Movie Maker. So, what's the difference?
I agree with Dr. Mike here. You are pretty stupid. There's a huge difference.
Of course you would, outdated piece of garbage.
Oh, you want to talk like that, huh? Come to the side.
This desktop looks a little bit boring. Let's see what themes are available. There might be a few good ones. I am feeling basic today. Let's go with this one. What are you doing here, PC Blue? Get out right this instant. Wait a minute, you chose this theme? Yes. Wow, you actually did something good. We'll keep it.
Yes, the VM is empty. I am free to install my software.
Ribbit.
Hey, you cannot install that here.
And what are you gonna do about it, you fat fry? What the heck? I better get out of here.
Ribbit.
Yo, it is Blob here. We're gonna find out what happens when you open this weird program. You guys can watch in amazement as it opens up. Ready? 3, 2, 1.